focus lang natin, hindi situational. So ang gagawin natin is more of enhancement of the skill. So we're going to use equipment para ma-help tayo na magawa natin ng yung full movement, yung mga dribbling, football na gagawin. Okay, so we start with prayer first. That's how you do packet. That's how you do packet, okay? So we're going to teach you how to do the packet in the right way. Okay, coach, packet.
Pero yung bola,
Placement.
yung placement ng kamay mo, ito sa behind mo.
Side view ka, coach. Okay? So when you do your packet, make sure the hand placement should be behind the ball. Okay, so there are two kinds of packet. The other one is tight, meaning malapit sa katawan. And the other one is wide, malayo sa katawan. So the difference between tight and wide, yung tight, yung fingers mo naka-point down. Kapag nag-wide packet ka, yung fingers mo naka-point sideways. Okay? So, sige mga coach, bigyan mo muna ako ng tight packet. Rhythm of 3. Ito, hindi siya nag-turn ng turn. Okay? Gusto natin naka-square up ka lang. So, it goes like this. Coach. Bakit namin ginagawa niya yung coach? See the difference? Ano yung gusto natin? Bakit namin gusto natin? Just manipulate the ball.
Go.
Hit mo itong wide. The wide. Close to your body, Marcus. Close to your body, with your packet close. Go. Close. Yun, better yun. Time. What we're gonna do is the wide packet. Okay, so si tight ito, si wide ito, wide. You see the difference? Pero consistently hinihin ko to. Okay, kasi gusto natin ma-manipulate mo yung bola. So what we want is like this. Not here. Okay, kailangan may target ka. Okay? Ready? Okay, so we're going to use this slipstick. So same pa rin, rhythm of 3. Pound on the third. I go tight pocket, then place the cone. 1, 2, 3, grab. 1, 2, 3, place. 1, 2, 3, grab. Okay, ang purpose just to activate your offhand. Okay, kasi in game, meron tayo mga distraction, may defender. So dito sa training, gusto natin ma-enhance yung paggamit mo ng offhand by using lipstick. Okay, so ready? Serve ka. Let's start. Again, stop. 1 pound, second pound, third packet, and place. 1, 2, 3, grab. 1, 2, 3, place. Okay, we want poise. Okay, we want to improve your poise. 1, 2, 3, grab.
Pagka-dribble packet mo, place, dribble packet. Pagka-packet mo, place, then packet ulit, then grab. Packet place, packet grab. Go. Packet muna, sabay ko. Go. Oh, nakita ko ang tag-tag lang. place, then cross, grab. Okay, pound, packet, place, cross, grab. Okay, then, pound, packet, place, cross, grab. Alternate. O, packet mo. Ano? Packet mo talaga. Packet talaga. Go.
Kung nafe-feel mo while doing this, is this your first time doing this? Anong nafe-feel mo? Confusing, right? Kasi one of the main purpose of this thing is to play your game. Okay, kasi tayo, whenever we play basketball, sanay lang tayo na just focus on playing the basketball. But in reality, there's so much distraction when we're playing the game of basketball, especially basketball. So yun yung gusto natin matuloy. So gusto natin na multitask ka habang o kahit stationary, gusto natin i-place yung utak mo. Okay? So okay lang yun. Okay lang mahirapan ka kasi yun talaga yung code. Okay? Ma-expose ka sa weakness mo. Okay? So I'll give you 1 minute break, then you do. Okay? Dapat. Go. Stop. 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 Yan. Okay? You see? Saan ka dapat? Dapat nasa lang ka ng German. Yan. That's the correct footwork. So now, ayun yung gusto kong makita. Okay? We want to be disciplined with our body, with our footwork. So every time na lumalabas ka sa drill mat, ito ibig sabihin out of control. You are not the master of your body. Ang goal is to be the master of your body. Okay? Sige nga, panatan mo ulit. 2 and 3.
Grab na, grab, grab. Grab, 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 grab. Yan. Then put your face, sasama mo siya. Stop, stop. Pag in-grab mo siya, then please grab. Sasama mo talaga siya. Then ready mo po siya ulit. 1, 2, 3, packet, face, yan. 1, grab. Go.
Flare that foot out. Flare this foot. Flare. Flare. When you say flare, naka-rotate outside. Yan.
Go, put your face. Jump. Hindi mo siya.
There you go. Nice one. Time. Coach, nang gagawin natin, no more pound. So, di ba, pound, pound, drop. This time, continuous drop to foot replacement. Paano mo, coach? Continuous, ha? Oh. Para ka na nagsichacha. Diba?
Go, go.
Out of time na. Voice lang. Under control. Watch my feet. Saan siya pagkita?
Go, go, go.
2, 3. Nice one.
Ngayon, tuturo ko na yung si inside step tsaka si outside step. Okay? Pag nandito yung bola sa right, ang tawag dito sa leg na to sa opposite inside leg. Anong tawag dito? Ito, outside leg. Pag dito, same lang siya sa right tsaka right leg. Ang tawag dito, outside leg. Anong tawag dito? Ito, outside. Okay, pag nandito yung bola, ano to? Inside, ito, outside. Okay? Ngayon, start tayo sa right. Pagka-drop mo, ang sabi ko, si inside step. Dito, ang gusto ko mangyari, pagka inside step mo dito sa may uwi ko yan. Pagka inside step mo, inside step, pero may dribble, outside step.
We call that speed stop.
Okay?
Okay, so kanina si drop, ang ingredient si drop is split and pocket. So si speed stop, ang ingredient ng speed stop, inside leg, outside leg. Yan si speed stop. Okay? So, coach, pakita mo full speed. Kaya pa niya, hindi siya umahapak dito, hindi siya umahapak. That's that for the outside. Show us.
Yun!
Ops, hindi. You were like this, you were like this. Namin pa ba? Saan dapat to? Saan dapat to? Dito. Dito. Kasi ito, you have to swing this step here. Kasi tuhod ko ng kalaban. Okay, so you have to enhance your swing step like this. the difference? Again, what you did was like this. Okay, ang gusto kong mangyari ito. Spin stop.
Alright. Ito naman, second step dito sa photo.
Ilalagyan lang natin ang kasi ipoproduce natin later. So yung traditional layup na ginagawa natin, we call that second step finish. Okay? So bakit siya second step? Gusto mo ha? Okay? So this will be your first step, second step, then finish. Okay? So first step, second step, finish later. Then that. Okay? 3 plus 3 times. Oh. Last. Yeah! Nice one. Oh.
Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, first step, wala na sa second step. Pagka first step mo sa right, right ka finish mo. Okay, like this up. Pagka first step mo, first step finish mo. Go, go, go!
Bang, drop, step into shot. Ganyan, ganyan sa akin. Nice.
Yan, go. Yan. Yan, go, 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 go.
First step tayo, first step.
Drop. Ano na tayo? Atak lang tayo dito. Pagkatak mo dito sa drill rack sa medium pack, drop ka naman step dito siya. Okay?
Full speed, coach. Full speed.
before you take the shot is for you to delay the pick up. Okay, diba? Delay pick up before